Alright, first YouTube video. We got our projects here. This is a 74 Kawasaki F7. Runs. It's got a leak out of the drain pan. It runs a little lean. It's a 175 cc. It's a rotary valve here, which is kind of cool. Snowmobile engines. Might be just selling that one off because I got too many things here. This 81 YZ490. It's a chain. It's got good spark. Compression's obviously crazy. However, it needs a crankcase and a Kickstarter. But this will throttle 2 is pretty trashed. It's gonna be interesting, obviously, clean this one up. Might see if I'm gonna send it off to Eric Gore out in California. And apparently he ports these things so that they're not so choppy. I need a new sprocket. Oh, sick though. This one's a 94 XT600. We just took this on a trip actually, and it was burning lots of oil, so it needs a new top end. Just pulled out all the spark plug and everything, and it's got really low compression. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with it. It's really tough here to find parts for it in the US, but we put on some hand guards and everything else, so I don't know. This is just a parts bike for the DR. Just been taking parts off of it. That's obviously the DR650. Definitely put the most time and energy into this one. Pretty modded out. Got the exhaust I'm going to take off of that. There's plenty of stuff here, whole winter's worth. I thought I'd start a YouTube channel, but the one we're going to start with, where we're going to build a shed to put all this stuff in, it's an 82 IT250 with YZ motor, but man, this one's really needs some love. The chain is trashed. Probably change out the sprocket. This is a new tire actually. Yeah, it runs, but it needs some serious love. So I'm gonna take this tank off, work on that. This is an aftermarket. It's a DG exhaust. It's got a bad weld right here. Gotta work on that. Shouldn't be too difficult, but yeah, I mean, everything here, it really needs some love. It's cool. It's got the Acerbis. Bought it for 200 bucks. Just needed a carb clean at that point just to get it running. So it runs. This thing doesn't have the brake fluid's never been changed. I changed the handlebar. So we're gonna start with this one and kind of see where we go with it. I'm gonna spray it down. It's even got the tool bag here. It opens, but it's very box. It's an aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, I mean, everything here. This is a prime semi-restoration. This thing really kills. So yeah, we got all these projects. Missed out on a few bikes the other day. Just wasn't ready to pull triggers. Kind of glad I didn't. If we're gonna rebuild that XT But took the toilet out of the house. Yeah, we'll start with this one.